Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to copy the game Steal a Brainrot from Roblox to your computer using the Game Copier website. Pick your favorite game. Click Inspect. And click Network. Refresh page. Select the first option on the list and click Copy as PowerShell. Let's go to the game downloader website, link in the description. Paste our link and click Download. Next, click Save. I've already opened Roblox Studio and loaded the game. As you can see, everything is working. The map has loaded, all the objects are in place, and the character is moving. Studio is displaying the game in its entirety. Thanks for watching. The link to the website is in the description.